So Hira, now can I begin? The recording is on.
Sure.
So it's time for me to invite our first speaker, who is Kundan Kumar, who is going to present his icebreaker today. So everybody, please join your hands together. Let's welcome Kundan on stage. Welcome, Kundan.
Thank you, everyone. So,
Kundan, if you can turn on your video so that everyone can look at you, if it's possible.
sorry, actually, I can't.
Not a problem.
Okay, thank you. So, hello, friends of India and America. Good morning, who are joining from America, and very good evening, who are joining from India. So, my name is Kundan Kumar. I born in Pakri village, and I am coming from farmer background. And I am completed my class 1 to 10 from Bihar board in Hindi medium. After that, I decided to do engineering, and then I joined a coaching class in Patna for engineering entrance exam. In my first time, I get many trouble to understand every subject in English language, but after few months, I was able to understand every subject in English language. And after 12th, I didn't get any good college, so I decided to prepare 1 year more for entrance exam. And after that, I got good rank in West Bengal entrance exam, and then I joined my college Technomen Salt Lake. That time I was very happy. But in my college, I got many trouble. Like in my GD group discussion, like more than 80% people they have done group discussion, but I have never done. I don't know what is GD. But after few days, one of my friend Prakash, he suggested me about this group. Like this is the best group for us, and it's really awesome and energetic and useful for me. And I want to say thanks to all of the members of this group for participating and giving more energy to me. And I am loving one thing in this group, that is book reading session, because before that I have never read any book, but now after reading a book that's name is How to Win Friends with Influence People, I feel like books are really awesome and everyone needs to read a book. And in last, I am going to add a you can say funny incident of my life. So I am going to share your incident. Like I was in first sem of my college, and there was a girl. Her name is Kriti, and she is from Muzaffarpur, and she was very pretty. And like she was my lab partner and consecutive roll number. And I was used to talk to her more in college and WhatsApp in night, like, and she was replying very fast. I just considered she may likes me, maybe. And I used to share this story with my friend, like she's talking to me and everything, and they told me party, my bro party, this kind, and I gave them treat. But after few days, one of my friend, he told me she was on date with Ashish. I was like, what? But he was true, and Ashish was her boyfriend. Then I feel like if a girl talking to you and she's sharing to you every good moment and spending time with you, it means not she's your girlfriend. Maybe you are in friend zone. So thank you. That's for my side.
Thank you, Kundan.
Thank you.
And your evaluator is Ashutosh. And for me, it was a very interesting speech. We got to know about your all the life, the struggles you have faced, the positive things, and you also shared your heartbreak to be with us. So for me, it was a very good speech. Everybody, I think I got engaged and I have listened to it completely. So now it's time for me to, yeah, you're welcome. So now it's time for me to invite our next presenter, and who is Ridhima. She's also presenting our icebreaker today. Ridhima, we are excited to hear from you. Everybody, please let's join the hands and welcome Ridhima.
Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for. Hi, my name is Ridhima Jha, and good evening, all of you. Today is my icebreaker speech, and before that, many interviews I faced, but little bit you can say I'm worried about it. But let's start. Actually, I belong from a small town of Muzaffarpur and belong from a Bihar, born in Bihar and belong from there. So my dad is retired army officer, and my grandfather is a tahsildar there. We have a small village that's far from, it's around about 12 kilometers from Muzaffarpur. So how I started my journey, so I completed the whole of my education from different cities of India. Like I started my pre-primary from Sikkim, Gantok, and after that moved to Bangalore, and I completed my primary education to secondary from Bangalore, and after that my higher secondary from Gaya, because dad was transferred in center in Gaya, and after that dad moved to the Patiala. I completed my graduation and post graduation there, and after after completing that, I moved to Delhi after post graduation. I moved to Delhi and for my MBA, but due to some reason, I didn't completed my MBA and start searching for a job. But there was a little bit, I was nervous because I was not a very fluent that time. So I want to share a, you can say, a scary or very emotional, heart-touching moment with you people. One of my roommates, she was a Shruti, and she told me that, Radhima, you're looking a job, and tomorrow is a IBM interview. So would you like to go there? I said yes. So very early morning, we went there in consultancy. It's around about 8 o'clock, and after waiting for 4 hours, HR called me, and I was a little bit scared. So
We can't hear. I think.
Hello.
Yeah, she got disconnected. Can you guys hear her? I can't. No,
Yes,
we
I
can't
guess.
hear.
No,
She got
I'm
disconnected.
audible.
disconnected.
Yeah, we can
now
hear
you're
you.
audible.
Okay. So she asked me, okay, tell me something about yourself. And I was very nervous. I said, yes, my name is Radhima Jha, and I feeling shivering that time, and shivering, and thought my BP is going down. I said, no, ma'am, I can't say anything to you. She said, cool down. I'll call you after 1, 2 contestant and candidate. I opened the door and came out from there. And after that, I burst with cry, and I told my friend. She told me what happened with you. I can't face it. And I went to my home and cried a lot because that was my first interview. Very embarrassing for me because I didn't face that. But after 2 days, I got a selection from this TV, and after 2 months, I got selected for IBM as well. So here I want to add one thing, which is how communication skill is important in our life. Because that I was not fluent, so I lose my first job. But yes, after that, I got many offer letters from different organizations. I got selected for IBM, then I worked for IBM. After that, I went to R1. I completed 2 years in R1, then completed 2 years in Cape Gemini Pacific, and as well as still I'm working as in a MNC, that is a one of the renowned company. So first impression was literally, we can say, it's just scary and embarrassing for me. And one more thing I want to add, because this platform is really very nice. I want to thank few people here. Ajay, who formed this platform, Pallavi, co-founded, and as well as Ashutosh, who actually introduced me this platform. And I want to add a few things about myself. My interesting parts and my hobbies. Like I'm a BNC certificate holder in NCC. I know how to operate gun and all, and I love traveling. In November, I went to the Pattaya and did some water sports like scuba diving, paragliding, and that was a really awesome moment for me. And here I want to complete the speech. I'm ending the speech with few lines. Push yourself because no one going to do it for yourself. Thank you so much. This is all from my side.
Ajay, please accept Dilip Ray's request. He is messaging me that he is on hold in the meeting. Thank you, Ridhima. And I think nobody is perfect at their first place. Everybody is nervous. Somewhat, I also felt the same way when I went for my first interview. So it's all same. And we will hear your evaluation with Ajay at the end of this meeting. So now we are done with the this icebreaker speech because Prakash is not presenting today. So now it's time for me to invite our next speaker who is presenting project 2 and the evaluator is Hira Lal. He is Adarsh Raj. So everybody please join hands and let's welcome Adarsh on
stage. Good evening everyone and good morning Ajay ji. Today I am deliver our second segment speech about success. In speech, what is success and what is the meaning of successful and what is the hidden key of success to become a good successful man. Let us start. Success is a positive word. It is directly linked with our personal happiness. If a person is not happy, no matter the material and ego satisfaction, they are not successful by all means. The success equal inner happiness, not the euphoric feeling that we get every time we experience, we get powerful, which give us endorphin boost. It is calm feeling of fulfillment. And you have everything you need to feel good, health, freedom, material satisfaction, beloved ones and friends. I want to specify the point about material satisfaction. Here I do not mean great sum of money. Success is considered to be a term that describes two things. The first one is achievement of a certain major or minor goals. This could be succeeding in making good painting, a good businessman, a good worker in an office, or more global things, succeeding in a career or job. The second definition of success is more broad and subjective. Most people define successful in life as wealth, a brilliant career, achievement of family relationship, goals, etc. Some may find that success come along with haste and a big amount of money. However, we see so many people, it all money, fame, beautiful life, partners, and acknowledgement. How to become a good successful man? There are some few key they makes me good successful man. And first one is focus on commitment, not a motivation. Just how committed are you to your goal, how important it is for you, and what you are willing to sacrifice in order to achieve it. If you find yourself fully committed, motivation will flow. And second, see knowledge, not result. If you focus on the excitement of discovery, improving, explaining, and experimenting, your motivation will always be fueled. If you focus only on result, your motivation will be like weather. It will die the minute you beat a strum. And third, make the journey fun. It awesome game. It is awesome and awesome game. The minute you make it serious, a big chance it will start carrying heavy emotion weight and you will lose perspective and become stuck again. And similarly, get rid of stagnating thought, use your imagination, stop being nice to yourself, get rid of distraction, don't rely on other, and drawing a good plan. Know your there 3 steps provided. You do not need more. Fill out your weekly calendar, noting when you will do what and how. When what is important to schedule, review how each day went by what you learned and revise. And last, protect yourself from burnout. That's all. Thank you.
Wow, Adarsh, today you are full of energy. You spoke so well today.
Thank you. Balwant.
So, yeah, and you talked about success. So everybody is here for that only, for the success. We all want success in our life. And now let's move to the next section of this meeting. That is book club presenter for Saturday. So our speaker one is Neelima, who is not well, so she's not able to speak today. So now I'm going to invite the speaker two, who is Shubh.
Pallavi,
Yeah,
sorry, what is the reason why she is not here?
She has joined, but Hira messaged me that she is having some health issues. That's why she will not speak today.
Oh, she is not prepared.
Neelima,
right?
are you there?
Not a problem. Go ahead. It's me.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, hi Neelima. Would you like to share something from your chapter? Even you have not prepared fully, or you are not at good health, so you want to share a few lines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any learning from that chapter?
Or anything what you loved about this group. You have been coming here, right? For maybe 3-4 weeks, probably by this time. If not, then we will pass on another.
Hello everyone.
Okay, no issues. So now our next speaker is Shubh. So everybody, please join hands together. Let's welcome Shubh on stage. Welcome, Shubh.
Thank you. Today I'm going to speak about how can we just what can we do when we don't have any other choice or any other option, like when we can just start up with a competition, like in our life we have many competition that comes in our life. So we can just choose any of them, we can opt any of them, and we can just easily try to improve in that way. Like if I talk about myself, then if I look around myself, then there are many rank holders in my school. So I can take it as a very good opportunity for me to excel in that field also. And whereas I can take it as a demotivation type also, but if we take it like I am being demotivated, then it will be a very big hazard on my life. And it might be a very big hazard on my life. So when I see any of the competition around myself or in my life as a very good opportunity for me to improve, then it will be a very good way of improving in my life. Author also described about a very good example in the chapter about there was a man who had a mill, and he had also a mill manager. Then the mill was going in loss. So when he asked the manager that what is happening all around, why is it going in loss? So he said that I tried many ways, but it was not all the workers were not able to manufacture goods so well. Like they manufactured 5 to 6 in a day, 6 products in a day, and therefore the company was running a loss. So the person who had the mill, who was the chairman of the mill, then he said that okay, I will just look upon it. And he had went to the workers or the employees of the day shift, and he asked that how many could you produce in a day today. He said that we produced six products today. So he took a big chalk and wrote on the ground six. Then when the night shift person came, the employees came, he said that he saw that and he was astonished. And when he asked that what is this, then the manager told that these all things happened and this is the production made by the day shift employees. So the night shift told that okay, we will try to manufacture more, because it became just like a competition. So the night shift manufactured 7 products, and simultaneously it increased upon. Like night shift made 7, then day shift again increased, then in such a way that the business flourished. So it was very good example for me. And we can, and how competition can help us to improve in our way. How can we excel in by the rise in level of competition as we move upon. So that was all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Shubh. Even the same chapter I have presented once, so I am able to recall this all the stories and what were the learnings. So thanks for explaining in such a way that I can quickly recall all the stories in my mind. So now I would like to ask Shubham, are you there?
Subham, can you hear us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Shubham, would you like to share anything from you liked from Shubh's speech, any learnings or the part which you have liked?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am. No, ma'am. It's okay. I've not listened actually. The voice is lagging.
Okay, no issues. So I would like to pass the question to Dilip.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Dilip, we can hear you.
Yeah. In the Subham speech, I find that the essence of the speech was that competition enhance your productivity and competition enhance your potential. There are two things. This was the essence of the entire story. He added so many points that about his school, about a factory example. But the essence was that competition is necessary and it will enhance your productivity and it will give a chance to enhance your potential.
Yeah, thank you, Dilip. Very well explained. So now it's time for me to call our next speaker, who is Chintu, and Chintu is here. So Chintu, everybody, please let's welcome Chintu on stage.
Hello everyone. Today is the first time I got a chance to speak on this beautiful stage. So thank you to all of you. Today I studied about the power of visualization. So today I would like to share to you all about the power of visualization. Actually, our goal is purifies our mind, and an image worth of 1,000 words. So with the help of visualization we can improve our potential 10 times more. So in this regard, I'd like to share you a story from history of America and Russia. So there was a Nathan Serensky, a Jew in Russia, and one day he caused by America and thrown him into jail. And he, uh, he 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 was kept in a prison cell of 4 feet by 3 feet, and he had kept there for around for 12 years. And when he residing in jail, he thought what to do in a small area, narrow area. So he decided to do something like playing chess in his mind. So since his childhood, he was fond of playing chess. So he decided to play chess in his mind, and he imagined 64 squares in his mind and started playing. So and then after he thought, I play the chess, but for whom? Then at those time, Mr. Gary Kasparov is the world champions. Then he thought, I should be played with him. So around 12 years, he played chess in his mind with world champions, Mr. Gary. And when after 12 years, when Mr. George Clinton became the president of America, he appeals to the Russian government, and Russian government released him. And after releasing from the jail, he went to Israel and became the cabinet minister. And later, when Mr. Gary came to Israel, he plays with him. Total 5 players are playing the chess. Mr. Gary defeated out of 4, but he can't be able to defeat one person, and one person is Mr. Nathan Serensky. Nathan Serensky actually visualized 12 years into 365 days, and thinking in his mind that I am playing with Mr. Gary, who is the world champion, and he only visualizing on daily basis up to 12 years and 65 days. So naturally he will he defeated Mr. Gary. So this can be possible only because of their visualization. So we can say that if we want to do something different or want to become successful, so we should have the art of visualization. So the power of visualization can enhance our potential 10 times more. Thanks.
Thank you, Chintu. And you're right that power of visualization is very important. If we cannot visualize the thing, how we can achieve those things? So I guess, sure, who can explain? Ashutosh can explain or highlight the points.
Thank you, Pallavi. He explained about power of visualization and given a very good example of American Russia. How a guy is in a jail and he visualized that he have to beat a world champion, and one day he get a time to beat him. So this is a good example for us. If we visualize something that is going to happen in your future, so this is an impact, and this is a learning for today for me, the power of visualization. So thank you, Chintu, for explaining it in a very beautiful way.
And one thing also I would like to share. Today I'm also on roof because today I am not getting connected.
Muzaffarpur, Bihar, right? India.
In fact, Chintu, I was not expecting a speech because I was thinking you were having the same internet issue in the last 2 weeks
Chintu,
because of the electricity.
Chintu, if you
but
can
we are
give
happy that you have explained.
Chintu, if you can give some scenarios from Muzaffarpur. Weather report like Chintu, the last time.
Yes, we want to listen your weather report, Chintu. Really?
How romantic it was. It was so romantic, right?
Yes, it's so romantic.
Sorry, Pallavi, go ahead.
Yeah, Shakti wants to
Chintu,
share
one suggestion
something.
from your side.
Yeah, just I want to add one thing,
Yeah.
that all successful people are able to visualize an optimistic image, and they are able to create that particular image in other person as well. So that is the difference between an ordinary person and a successful person.
Thank
Yeah,
you, Shakti.
Hira. Thank you, Shakti.
Thanks,
Hira,
Shakti.
you were speaking something, sorry.
Yeah, I was trying to speak with Chintu that you need to change your service provider as I did.
Yes.
In fact, Deepak Raj, Adarsh Raj, you don't have Wi-Fi, right? Deepak and Adarsh Raj, and we
Yeah, I am joining with my personal mobile network.
Chintu, you may need to connect with them and see how it goes.
Yeah. I about to buy Orthos connection of Zio in next week. So I hope from next week's next week no problem will create.
Hello, good. That's good to hear, Chintu. And our next speaker is Golu, who is not present today. Golu Kumar is not. So now next speaker is Deepak Raj. So let's join hands and welcome Deepak. Deepak, I'm going to evaluate you in our mentor-mentee meeting. So all the best.
Sure, ma'am. Today I discuss chapter 9, Making People Glad to Do What You Want, is written by Dale Carnegie, as we know that. Always makes the other people happy is about the things you suggest. Now some guidelines, when you want to someone's behavior. First, be sincere. Do not promise anything that you cannot deliver. Second, forget about the benefits to yourself and focus on the other benefits to the other person. Now, second point, exactly know what it is you wants the other person to do. And third, be emphatic and ask yourself to what does the other person really wants. And fourth, consider the benefits that the person will receive from your doing your suggest. Now fifth, match those benefits to the other person's wants. Now sixth, when you make your request, put it in from that will be conveyed to the other person. The idea that he personal will benefit from the another sounds like this. June, we have a customer coming in tomorrow, and I need to stock room. And I need to stock room out. So sweep it out. Put the stock in neat piles on the shelves and polish the counter. When you express the benefit, John, I am bringing some customer tomorrow to show your facilities. I would like to show them the stock room, but it is poor shape. If you could ship it out, put the stock in neat piles on the shelves and polish the customer. It would make us look efficient, and you will have done your part to provide a good company manners. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Deepak Raj. And I hope the same technique others will use the next time he had some work in his shop to take help from you. So he can use the same thing you explained, that now next day the customers are coming and we have to arrange all the clothes in a very good way. So you can go out and help him. So now we are
Sure,
done
ma'am.
with our both the segments. Yeah.
No, okay.
Okay, okay. So now let's go back to the evaluation time. So first evaluator is Ashutosh. Ashutosh, are you ready with your evaluation?
Yes, yes, no problem.
Okay, so you are evaluating Kundan. Please go ahead.
Yes.
Let's welcome Ashutosh on stage.
Thank you, Pallavi. Kundan, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, I am here.
So, firstly, I am very happy for you because on the first day when I talked to you, you are very demotivated and you are don't want to present in this week. But I forcefully take no, you have to present this icebreaker speech, and you accept my challenge, and you did it. So, firstly,
Yes,
thank
yes.
you so much. Thank you so much for that. I will tell you the positive thing which you done today. Your voice is very clear. We are really understand what you're trying to say us. Your introduction was very good. It is up to the mark. Your body part is also very clear. We understand what you face in your college time, like you love someone and after some time you find that no, that girl is not loving me and we are friends. So it's very clear, the message is very clear to us. Again, I appreciate that you send me a message, your speech. It was nearly 1 minute and 40 seconds, right?
Yes,
But
yes.
I told you to extend your speech up to 4 minutes minimum or 6 minutes, and you have like extended your speech to 3 minutes 50 seconds. Within I guess 4 to 5 hours you have prepared
Yes,
your
yes.
speech. You prepared your speech, and I think you have not prepared for so many times, like you just prepare it once or twice, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
Twice, twice.
that's why you are fumble in your story part, body part. So in next time when you try to write your speech or prepare a speech, try to speak up for 5 to 10 times, so that when you get a time to speak here, you are very much clear with your voice and your thoughts. The same we are doing when before delivering a speech, right, Kundan?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay, and you are fumbling little bit. So it's first speech, I understand. We all are fumble nowadays. Also, I am fumbling little bit, so that is not a big issue. Rest of the thing like grammatically error and little bit sentence formation that we can work together. And next speech we will try to
Six,
develop more. Okay, and I will call you and I will suggest you more. So that's it
okay.
from my side. Okay,
Thank you, Bhaiya.
thank you, you're welcome.
Thank you, Ashutosh, for sharing your valuable feedback to Kundan. And I think you are also mentoring Kundan.
Yes, I am mentoring him.
Yeah, that's great thing. So I am also happy to listen that he was not thinking to speak, but you motivated him and he presented today. So well done, Kundan. And
Yes,
eventually, when you will start speaking, you are going to grow and you are going to speak in a good way.
and like today itself he had prepared a speech of 1 minute 40 seconds, but I force him to extend his time to go up to 4 minutes at least. So he tried and he has completed his speech up to 3 minutes 50 seconds. That's good.
Yeah, I heard that. So now I am calling the next evaluator, who is Hira for Adarsh Raj. So Hira, are you ready with your evaluation?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, please welcome Hira.
Hello, others.
Yes, Ramal Bhaiya.
So I'm here to evaluate your project 2 speech today here, na? So others say, first I'm going to talk about your positive things, and then I will brief what are the lack you did today. Today you are having great energy level. Your opening was good, and the transition was also very good. Body gesture was satisfactory. You were using your hands, and facial expression was also good. You spoke about success. Many things in success, how we will get, and what our achievements should be. should be there, how can we achieve our goals. You also talk about the calendar. Ajay had briefly described about calendar, how to use and how can we take motivation from that video. You can also go through that video, how to use the calendar. You also talk about goals achievement. You told that there are two types of goal achievements, one broad and one you described that it was two goals achievement you were talking about. But I feel that there was lack of preparation level. I don't know how many times you recorded your voice. I have told you that you must record your voice at least 5 or 10 times. Practice lack, I feel that you didn't well prepare. Second, some grammatical mistakes were there. You used already given. You used they makes me good, great sum of money, heavy emotion. So this sentence should be corrected. Okay. Others.
Yes.
So second thing, you are attending our meeting since 3 months, and even though you are reading from your notes, yes, you can take help from that notes, but you need to read out whole the note, right? So from next speech, I hope that you will not do the same. That's all from my side, Pallavi.
I try to this.
Thank you, Hira. Yeah, others keep trying and you are going to succeed it. And when one day will come when you are not going to take any help from the notes. Ajay, are you ready or with your feedback?
I am, Pallavi. Sorry, I was on mute.
Yeah. So now Ajay will evaluate Riddhima and let's welcome Ajay on stage. Welcome, Ajay.
All right, where is my target speaker? She is here. Hi, Riddhima. Nice to meet you first. Thank you so much, Riddhima. Can you guys see me okay? And let me keep this aside. Can you guys see me okay?
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me okay?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yeah, okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Riddhima, first of all, for joining our group. And I'm so impressed. You are sharing your goals. So thanks for that, all the great work you are doing for this group. Since I'm your evaluator, so I would like to again extend my warm welcome and thank you for you to sharing your icebreaker speech. I take this moment to congratulate you on completing this icebreaker. This is one of the toughest project, I would say, because I did this 3 years back and I had a like terrible time preparing for it because first speech is always difficult. So I admire your courage and you are audacious. Icebreaker is something where you have to talk a lot about your personal details, about your family, about what your beliefs, what you do, your hobbies. And I felt your speech was a complete feast to us. It was a complete package. And I'm sure all of us can relate to you very well because I'm from Muzaffarpur, so I can relate it very well. I'm going to share today the things which I loved about your speech, and at the end, I will share something which you can work on to take this presentation to the next level. All right. So I like 5 things about your presentation today. Number 1, you have a great way of telling story. I felt so connected in your story. You started that where you were born, city name Muzaffarpur, and you talked about your family a little bit, about your dad, and about your town. So that is something very perfect start for anybody who is giving icebreaker. And the most beautiful part about your speech was you travel a lot. So I also travel a lot, so I was also able to relate. I'm a wanderlust, you know. I really liked your journey from Sikkim, Gangtok to Bangalore, Gaya, and then getting a post graduation from Patiala. A great job on that for all the hard works you have done in your life. And then you talked about something which all of us can relate, IBM interview, because a lot of people, I'm from IT, and a lot of people here are working in a corporate like Asutosh, Pallavi, Sakti. So we can all relate about the first interview, how frightening or how apprehensive it could be, but it was a cakewalk for me because my interviewer was so kind. He just asked 2 questions and I was into one of the great company of India. So these were the things which I loved most. But here's the thing, the things which you can work on to take this speech to the next level. I totally agree with one evaluator, Hira, where he talked about importance of preparation. I felt you had some lack of preparation, I would say. So maybe I would recommend you to record your video and practice it for five times at least for icebreaker. That is where you will see how your body language is and how you are sounding on camera. Second thing, if you have such a beautiful story, then you can be a little dramatic. So take some pause, control your rate of speech a little bit so that we can visualize what you are talking about. So those were the 2 feedbacks. Those would be the 2 feedbacks for you at this point, because this is your first speech, and overall, again, great introduction and points were pretty clear. A great story. I appreciate your sincerity, sharing your personal story with us, and I'm looking forward to hear more from you in upcoming speeches. Over to you, Pallavi.
Yeah, thank you, Ajay.
Thank you so much.
So now we are done with all the segments, and we have some announcements to make today.
And
So,
sorry, Pallavi, one thing. Ridhima, I will send you my written feedback as well. I will email you or I will send it in a group. And all the evaluators who written feedback, we have a form for it. If you feel you have time, you can do that. You can send it to your presenter so that they know what they are looking for. All right.
Okay.
That should not take long for anybody.
Yes.
Yeah.
So before mentioning all the points, I would like to ask everyone, please share your birthday date with us. You can share on the group or you can personal message me. Or it would be a great if you are going to enter directly on the Google Drive Excel sheet. I have made a column. I'm going to make a column after this meeting only. So you can share your birthday month and date. Like my birthday is on 29 September. So you can write 29 September like that. I'll enter mine and you can see the format. Or if you are not able to do on the Google Drive, ping on the WhatsApp group, okay? And you can message me or Ashutosh or to Shakti and all the mentors. Please take care of it. Like in the next 2 days, this work should be done. So the mentors are also responsible for taking this birth date from their mentees. So moving towards the next point. So the dress code is formal for everyone, and it would be nice if everybody is in a good formal attire for this meeting. So I expect all of you to follow this rule of wearing a formal attire. And yeah, and see, members should maintain the accountability. See, if you are allotted a chapter for the today's meeting, or you have been assigned an icebreaker speech, so what you can do is, like, if you are not able to present, you are not able to present on Saturday, or if for any, so you should inform me earlier. See, we had 3 presenters in fact have not presented today. I have written their names. Just a minute. Yeah, Prakash did presented today. Nilima and Golu. 3 presenters are there. So like this 15 minute slot. So I want everybody to speak. That's why I took a lot of time to assign chapters and I discussed with Ashutosh also. He has also given a lot of time while selecting and talking with the people who are going to present the icebreakers. So please value our time, and it would be great if you can inform me by the Tuesday, Wednesday. So if not others, even I can present my chapter today only, so that on the next day others can present. And please inform. Yeah, Ashutosh.
Actually, there are some like Prakash and Golu. I had a very good discussion with them, but he informed me on Friday that they are not going to present a chapter. So that is very bad actually, because we are lacking a time, because we are 22 people here.
Yeah.
So
And
this,
we all are professional. We all are like, apart from two students like Shubh and Deepak, they are school mates, but others all are in the corporate, or somebody are 2-3 are from the engineering background who are going to work in corporate. So maintain your accountability and don't make excuses that I have not prepared. If you are not prepared, just the point is you can inform me earlier. So I could have allotted the same chapter to somebody else, and another person can share any other thing. So please maintain that. And these are the things. And second point is, if we are absent for the 2 consecutive weeks, I am not going to assign chapters for you, because I assign chapter and next day nobody is sharing their videos on the group as well. So again I have to reassign the chapters. So it is, see, there are not 100 books that for every week we can select another book. So it also takes time to rotate the chapters, to select the books. I am again taking the same book, How to Win, so that our few things are also brush up. I am writing all the things which the presenter who are sharing from the How to Win and Influence People. So it's good to listen also, that I am able to recall all those things. So if you are not presenting for the 2 weeks, I am not going to assign chapters. And even when you are going to message me, I am not going to assign. So that's from my side. This is the thing, another point. Yeah. And if you are so if you are not presenting, and if you are available here, you are joining for 3 or 4 weeks, so please at least share your thing. If you are not prepared for 5 minutes, share your 1 minute story or anything you want to share. Just we all are here for the interaction only, for these things only. So please be at least punctual, accountable in all those things. Okay, and we are evaluating the everyone's performance, as Ajay mentioned 2-3 week back. That's why we are delegating some presenters to be present on Saturday, some on Sunday, and there is, yeah. And another important point is like, why everybody is messaging Ajay. Yesterday he told me that he is going to leave the group. So what you want? Everybody want him to leave, because our time zones are different. So you share your personal goals for everything. Yeah, in fact, Ashutosh has written, Shakti has
actually,
written the
I
same
talked
group.
with everyone. I talked with everyone, and I convey them ki if you have any problem, you can message me, Sakti, Pallavi. We can pass your message to Ajay, and whatever the feedback Ajay wants to give, he will give you to either to us, or he can talk to you on Saturday or Sunday, because we have 2 days. But I don't know why this is repeating again and again and again. Like this is 5th times they are like Ajay is messaging in a group. So
See,
I guess
I wanted to be very clear, Asutosh, or for anybody to this group. I'm trying my best to help you guys, but at the same time, you have to understand I'm working for a corporate, and then I have a personal life, and I have all the commitments. And it's not that, right, that I'm not interacting. I'm having a weekly touch point. You asked Pallavi, I had a 45 minutes call, Pallavi, correct?
51 minutes.
51 minutes call I have, and we didn't discuss anything personal with Pallavi. I just discussed everything about a vision of this group, right? And we have already assigned mentors, right? So rather than messaging me that you will not present a chapter or you are not good, you can ask your mentor, right? And the funny thing is, I told a group not to message me, and after that also I got a message last night, right? I forwarded you that. So I'm like, what do you guys want me to do? Should I not sleep here? It's like I live in a different time zone, Asutosh. You know that, right, Asutosh? Yes. And we have a very formal group over here. So I think you are interacting with everybody, correct?
Right. In fact, I spoke to Kundan. He just recorded his speech. He sent to me and tell ki, Bhaiya, I have recorded a speech. Please listen it and what I have to add. So this is a role of our mentors.
Right.
So rather than sending you, they can send our mentors to make themselves very comfortable. And you are working for a group, right?
Exactly.
So you have a time.
See, you must be, Sakti is asking me, I'm very happy he's reading my blogs, and learn
Yes.
from that. So if I focus on those things about what you are doing day-to-day tasks, I can't focus on bigger things for this group, right? I hope
Right.
you understand my intention. That is where like, and it
Yeah.
was getting repeated again and again, right? I think fourth to fifth.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Just I want to add one thing, that earlier I was allocating chapter, right? It seems very easy task, but it takes lot of time,
Yes.
to find out the chapter and allocate it. So I am not good at taking responsibility. So I've given this responsibility to Pallavi. So really, if you are working for 9 hours and see, it is just to type the your name and chapters, right? But that also requires a lot of effort. I was not able to handle that responsibility, right? So I transferred this responsibility to Pallavi. And Ajay is doing for this group a lot, right? He's in America. There we don't have servant. He has to do everything on his own, right? So we need to respect his time. And I will just ask everyone not to message him. He's my good friend, right? Close friend, but I never message him, right?
Correct.
I never message him personally anytime. Right?
Exactly.
Right. So
Yeah, in fact, in the whole week, Shakti, mute yourself. So in the whole week, I message Ajay only on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Only 3 days we talk on messages on WhatsApp, and the whole week there is no no touch. Whether you are how are you or good morning, everything. We are not talking on the Friday, Saturday, Sunday only. We are talking related to this group only, and so it's in a very polite manner. It's like everybody is busy. So if you have problems, that's why mentors are assigned. And if anybody anybody has mentors who are not available, so you can ping me or Ashutosh, or you can ping directly on group. We can change your mentors because we are also want to help everyone to improve. And
Right.
so in the whole week, I had 2 calls with Ashutosh, one with Deepak, one with Hira. So I'm also taking feedback of there. So I also want to share that Ashutosh and Hira are doing a great job. They are helping people in a very good way. In fact, both Ashutosh and Hira Lal both have shared the written speech to their mentees. So you can see how much they are helping.
Yeah.
And in the same, I see all the time in a week Shakti sharing sharing all the ideas with his mentee, that is Dilip. They are having a lot of conversation. I can hear all those. So it is good that, and if any other person who is feeling that they are not able to interact, or they are feeling shy, or any other problem is there, please share. Okay, and so in that way, show your mentor is Nilesh sir. Okay, so if he is not available or he's busy, so you can ping that. Okay, I want feedback on this, or I want to present the chapter in this way, but I am not able to do it. So you can ping me or Ashutosh or Shakti anytime, or you can ping on the group. We all are here to help each other. So,
And there are some people who have not assigned a mentor. So,
who are those people, by the way, Ashutosh, who has not assigned?
he can message like a new person.
New people.
New people, I guess.
I think Ridhima has joined us. He is the new one.
Not Ridhima, not Ridhima. I guess Chintu is there in a mentor list. I don't think so.
Chintu is, and somebody is mentoring Chintu, if I'm not wrong.
There are a few people who is missed out, I guess. I'm
okay,
not.
Ashutosh, what you can do in the Excel Google Drive, there's an Excel sheet.
Chintu, you were the mentor of Chintu.
No, but
Ashutosh,
it was
you were mentor of Chintu.
But it was deleted from the Google Drive actually.
Okay. So no, whose mentors are not allocated, they can write their names and they can send it to the group. Or Ashutosh, you can check the mentor-mentee sheet on the Google Drive as well.
I can check and I will let you know then.
Yeah. So these are the things. So these are some strict points which I have already highlighted. And one more suggestion. This is going to be the last one. That what we are thinking that our logo is not, we have to like redesign it, or we have to add something. So me and Ajay were discussing that we want to give certificates. So what do you think, people? You want the certificates with logo or without logo is also fine?
Logo is fine. Like, with logo. And we can work it out, and before Monday we can solve it. I try my best.
See, here is the thing. I mean, I talked with Pallavi, I messaged her. I don't mind working on it. I already worked on all those things, but today my schedule is very busy, to be honest with you. I don't have a a single minute. I have shared my goal, right? And I have to talk
Yes.
to my, parents. I mean, it has been 3-4 days. I didn't talk to them. So that's
No problem.
why I'm asking anybody else. If I have time, I would.
That no problem, Ajay. I will try my best to solve this before Monday. I will take help of Ridhima because he have some
Yeah,
friend.
Ashutosh, we can have
Yes.
as per the timing. Ridhima is also available, and we can have a group call. And
Huh.
don't worry, Ajay, I'll take care of it. I'll have a contact and I'll update you that what is the progress and how we have finalized.
On Monday, we will update you.
Sure, not a problem.
So I think we are done for today. Ajay, you want to
Pallavi,
add something?
yes. No, I don't want to add something. I think you did a pretty fabulous job. And everybody, please have a round of applause for Pallavi for what she is doing for this group. I mean, I'm relieved after she had started taking at least because Sakti, now you understand the pain. Like allocating a chapter and then coming as a host, right? And then
Yeah, it takes 10-15 minutes, but it is very hard.
No, and then you have to follow up with people and also you must
follow with people. And sometimes I used to miss few people, right?
Exactly.
That who didn't got, I was not able to allocate chapters. And we have 2 books now because
Correct.
one
Right.
book is not sufficient. We need to first download 2 books, then we need to share on WhatsApp. It was hectic for me.
Pallavi, thanks for having patience with me. She must be having hard time sometimes. Like,
Yes.
can I have a call with you? And I'm like, it's my office time. Because we live in a different
Yeah,
time.
actually time zones are different. That's why. But
Yeah.
thank you, Ajay. You are doing a great work for this group, for all the participants over here, and we all are motivated because you founded this group and you initiated all those things. So it's good to be a part of your journey of this group. So
Awesome. Pallavi, polls are ready. And before I announce the poll, can you guys hear? Pallavi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
All right. So before I announce the poll from next meeting, I'm going to tell you the ground rules for the poll. Right now, for example, today we had 3 speakers. We were prepared speeches. I think Ridhima and who was the other guy? Kundan, others.
and others.
Yeah. So you 3 would be the part of voting, and this is going to be anonymous. But here's the ground rule. Today I'm giving you leeway, but from the next meeting, if you cannot complete at least 5 minutes of your speech, then you are not eligible for voting actually. But today I'm just giving you leniency for that because 5 minutes is the minimum time for it was minimum time for Adarsh Raj and 4 minutes was minimum time for icebreaker Kundan and Ridhima. So it's your responsibility to at least prepare for 4 minutes of your speech. I think Ridhima did a good job with that. But again, that will apply for your other also Sunday meeting as well. 5 minutes speech. If you are not finishing in 5 minutes, then you are not eligible for voting. And if you are going beyond 5 minutes and 30 seconds, again, also you are not eligible for voting. I don't want to mean with you, but that is how the timings are. That has nothing to do with me. All right. So I will enable polls right now. Pallavi, I know you summed up really well. I just wanted to add one thing, and let me know how it resonates with you. I had got some commitments, so I would like to move this meeting 1 hour ahead. How would be that, guys? Rather than having on 8, what time we are meeting at 8 p.m. India timing. So how
we are
about
meeting at 8 and you mentioned at 6:30.
Yeah, so how would be 6:30? I'm open. I can go till 7, but I have got some commitments in summer, so that is where I'm asking. I want to attend.
No,
also.
it's fine.
Help. Anybody has
Yeah,
any?
no, it's fine. 6:30 is fine. Because
No,
everyone will stay.
at Saturday 6:30 is not possible because we have to go to the field, and before 8 it's not possible. 7:30 or 8 at least.
Interesting.
Okay, everybody can give their feedback because others is
And
also
for
saying
me also on Saturday.
How about early morning, guys? I know in India you can't get up early morning like we are doing here. So that is where I was giving options. But again,
Yeah, we can do early morning also. Right?
what time you can do?
Yeah.
Early morning is
Morning would
10.
be fine. Yeah,
10
morning
is
would be
early
fine
morning
if
for
you
you
are able
guys.
to.
So
Morning would be a great thing, but we have to match na. Our morning is your night, so we have to see that time also.
What time early morning you can make? Probably I can extend a little bit. So
7 a.m. At 10 a.m. What 10 a.m.?
10 is midnight.
Lazy people of the group 10 a.m.
See, right
No,
now
7 a.m. 7 a.m. is fine for
Yeah,
everyone.
6:30 or 7.
I don't think
7 or
7
6:30 would be also fine.
I don't
Oh
think
my God,
7 a.m.
6:30
will
would be also fine.
I know. I don't think 7 would work for my friends like Pallavi and Sakti.
No.
No, it will
Pallavi
be
is there.
fine, but
Pallavi
he
is
will be
there.
sleeping. I'm not going to host that meeting.
No,
Let
8 is fine. 8 is fine. Right. On Saturday.
8 would be 10:30.
Yeah, let's take everybody's point because everybody has to join the
but
meeting.
Ajay,
So everybody share this on group because because we will take the feedback from the Sunday participants as well who are absent. So morning time,
Sunday is
everybody
not an
which suits
issue.
you.
Sunday is not a big problem for everyone, I guess, because it's a leave
Yeah.
day. So Sunday is not a issue.
Thank God, Hira and others, they are not participating. Else they would have said 4 a.m. or 5 a.m.
All right.
I can understand.
We can take that up later.
Okay. Then Ajay, you can decide what is a comfortable, because
what
you
I
are
told
going to
you.
sleep by 10.
But Saturday, these guys are working. So Dilip, you were Saturday 8 a.m. is fine for you guys. Those who are working or going to shops, others.
No, ma'am. Sorry, no, Pallavi. Before, because 8 or 8:30, we have to leave our home to go for a market. So it's not possible.
All right.
I think 7 would be fine. 7 would be fine.
Let me think.
7 is fine.
See, I want
7.
all the meetings and help you guys, but I have to understand my commitment as
So I
well.
agree with the Dilip.
Let's do a voting. On the basis of
Because
voting, we can decide.
Yeah, what other person? What Deepak is saying, Deepak Raj, 7 is fine.
7 is fine, but 8 a.m. is not fine because 8 p.m. online class. That's why.
Yeah, and Ridhima, what about you? 7 a.m. is fine for you.
Yeah, 5 a.m. is also fine for me, not issue.
Pallavi.
See, I was 9 years in US, so no issue for night and day. That's okay for me.
All right, I will launch the poll and Sakti, Pallavi, we can discuss that later.
Yes.
And guys,
we can
poll will be
discuss
ready right now, so you can vote for who was the best speaker. And there are no.
Ajay, you have included all the book club presenter as well.
Not Pallavi. I'm having some trouble. I will try for tomorrow. Actually, I'm having some trouble with that. So today, this is for the best speaker for prepared speeches, and there are 3. So you guys can vote for it. It's ready now, and you can vote for them really quick. I will give one more second and end this. Interesting. All right, I'm going to end because we're running out. I don't know why I'm not seeing all the votes from. All right, perfect. So I would like to congratulate Riddhima. She's our best speaker. And Riddhima, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Ridhima.
You will be getting a certificate of appreciation from our group very soon. So we will email you that. All end this poll.
Sure, thank you so much.
Exactly. Pallavi, if you
I
have
guess we are
anything.
done for today. No, we have already, and we will discuss the same timing thing with the people who are going to join tomorrow, and then we can finalize this thing in the group. That was the timing with that suits everyone, because like Dilip or Deepak Raj and all these are the punctual members of the group. So I don't want anybody to because of timing thing they are not able to present. So we will take these things, voting over the timing, and with all the members, then we will finalize the timing from the next week. So
Okay.
it's time for me to close the meeting. So I thank you everybody for joining meeting today. And I think you had some great fun and learning. To see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day and have a great evening ahead.
Good night.